This pug sleeps louder than a chainsaw, but there's a genius reason why. Their flat faces create a perfect storm inside their airways. The shortened nasal passages force air through tiny spaces at lightning speed. But here's what most people miss about this snoring symphony. Each snort actually helps them breathe better during sleep by creating back pressure. Some researchers think this evolutionary trade-off saved the breed from extinction. The louder the snore, the more efficiently they're getting oxygen to their brain. Next time you hear that adorable freight train sound, remember you're witnessing thousands of years of adaptation in action.